Good morning, everyone. Hi, it's me again. It's Nilo. This time or today, I'm bringing you back to the old times, meaning I'm bringing you to the life in the past. Today, I'm here in Monastiraki, right at the center of Athens. Is near Syntagma, and where tourist crowd or gather there. I was here about about a week ago, but it was nighttime and there were a lot of merriments here for people. They were there at the front of the church, and here near this is the Jami Paradosiaki Keramiki, or mosque traditional pottery. So from this name alone, we can gather our interpretation, or what would be inside, or what to be expected as we go on. So it's about pottery. It's a mosque. So here it goes. I'm going to tour you, though it is enclosed with fences, or for protection. Okay, here you could read Museum of Modern Greek Culture. There it goes. Here is the museum, going there. Look at the pillars. These are centuries old pillars. I think it's more than 1,000 years. More than 1,000 years maybe, or even 2,000, I don't know. Because I've told you, Greece is one of the seats of civilization. It's where they gave light to the world, meaning they influenced the world. So it starts here, or one of these country is where civilization takes place. There you go, Museum of Modern Greek Culture. There. Look at the pillars. The old scrap of stones, marble stones, put together for artistic purpose and for preservation of it. You cannot just take it by hand, because it would take maybe 50 people to lift up one small stone, marble stone. There. Beautiful. I am in monastery. At night, you couldn't imagine. It's like you are in paradise here, with all the people having, peaceful celebration, especially these days, Saturday nights or even Sunday nights. So today is Sunday. It's exactly 7 in the morning, or yes, Sunday 7 in the morning. Though sun should rise up, but it's a little bit gloomy. Maybe it would rain, I don't know, but the weather is very nice. A little bit gloomy. Supposed to be the sun is up already. There, those are the pillars. Oh my God, you couldn't just imagine. All marbles. One of the best marbles in the world is here in Greece, especially found in Dionysius, where from here it would maybe 3 miles away from where Dionysius is located. We go overlooking is the Acropolis, or Parthenon, there at the hilly side, or the same mountain side of this area. There, I was beside it at the Areopagus Hill, or the Philippopos, where St. Paul used to preach to the Athenians, or to the Greeks. There. So let's move on with this mosque or museum of pottery. So this is open for public when it opens, but still it's early in the morning. I think they will open it, let's say 9 o'clock. So two more hours before it opens. But I would not go in, for reason that I have no enough money for the entrance. But so we enjoy with this camera that is extended to this fence. There's one, and it's not forbidden or prohibited to make videos or live videos like this. So once again, this is Nilo, your live vlogger of the historical and beautiful places of Athens, Greece. This is my first vlog for today, and I'm bringing you here to the area of monastery, monasteraki. I think the English word for monastery is monasteraki is monastery. It's close, right? And it sounds like there the pillars, yung mga poste, ayan. Hindi pwedeng matibag yan ng ano, talagang matibay. They are durable. Even centuries would pass and they're still stand tall and dominating other historical places in the world. There, these pieces make story. One stone or one marble makes story. We are brought back to the past life thousands of years ago, or let us say, yes, maybe. Here is the pigeon, or yung kalapati natin. Maybe it is one of the tourists, looking for food. Street cleaners will be here in a while to collect this mess made by people last night, because last night is one of the peak nights here in Athens, Saturday, last night, and even today. And considering that there are still no work and they will resume work, most of the offices or shops tomorrow, the 25th of August, and classes will resume, start on, I think, second week or third week of September. So way ahead, maybe in less than 1 month, schools will open for the school year 2005 and 2025, 2026. Here we go again, the pillars, and I think this is here is the entrance for the monastery until here maybe, or the museum. Going here. So let's go to the other side. There are more to see. I think this is one of the entrance. Yes. Exodus entrance. Exodus rather. Ang Exodus ay yung papasok, ating yung Exodus, yun yung pag-exit. Diba sa first part of the Bible, the Old Testament, Exodus is the exit of the people from slavery, I think. So it comes from Greek. Exodus, right? But here is Exodus, meaning the entrance. Going to the ticket office as being directed by the arrow. So nandito siguro yung office niya. Yung maliit na shaft or yung tent. Okay, so lahat niyan may kwento. All the collected piles of stones, marbles, not stones, marbles there, have stories to tell in the past. Okay? Here is the, let us say, here is the mantra, or the how the place would look like, or what you expect inside. It's the, not drawing, it's the, like, let us say, the blueprint. Parang ganyan. There's a dog inside, maybe one of the guards, another dog there. Look. Dogs are friendly. They don't bite as long as you don't harm them. And usually even stray dogs are vaccinated. There. We have cameras here, CCTVs everywhere. So you could not just barge in or take something. You cannot become burglars, otherwise you will be in charge, or you will be punished by the people in the past, the souls in the past. Not only the people that are alive today, but you will feel guilt of conscience or maybe remorse. Ine, Tora, ine efta exi.
Não só a câmera de similar sem cara.
Ligo.
Esse Chucky-san disse filos.
Katitecho. Jackie Chan, Ini kineso Amerikano, apto, ne. Ke,
Togzeris.
ne. Apto rush hour, ke techo. Ne. Karate. Oh, the dogs are here. These people, these guys, young ones, behind me, are asking if I know Jackie Chan. I know him in the movie, but I haven't met him. They're coming. Tele na BXO, apto. Teskilate. Many mesa. Kano live. Ne, tuksero.
Full live. Kan is live.
Apo Facebook. Lepis. Ito. Live. O siya to YouTube. Facebook mo. No? Ayan. And then yung cat. The cat is here. Gatolaki. Ella. Come. Come up. He's enjoying, it is enjoying the view. Look, these piles of marbles. We are just in one side, so more to go as we circle the sites. The pottery museum. Jami or Mosque Pottery Museum. So more to go. At the perimeter of this are shops for souvenir items. There. Look, these are marbles. Okay. There. And it's an advanced shout out for possible viewers. For now, I have 0 viewer. Hi to you, possible viewers. Inunahan ko na kayo. There. Oh, there are scooters. Red scooters, usually red and green. One company maybe this red, another one is the green. Look, the sun is rising over there at the horizon. There. But it's still gloomy. But in a while, maybe weather would be, it's a bit warmer. The past 2 days, the temperature was high. Let us say 35 degrees, but it feels 41 degrees. Where you could be exhausted because of the humidity outside. And you need to have a bath. I myself, yesterday, I had 3 times in taking a shower. Maybe I would do it again. 3 times until the end of the day or even more. You hear the church bell ringing, the church ringing over there. And there is also church here, like 500-meter distance or 400-meter distance. Okay? These marbles are covered with grapevines there. There. The dog is there. The dogs, probably they must be guards, trained guards, to detect if a person has the intention of stealing, magnanakaw, ganyan, na wala naman hopefully sigurong dahil they are guarded not only by cameras, not only by people today, but they are guarded by the people who lived in the past thousands and thousands of years ago. So imagine that if you are planning to steal, just even with the concept in the mind, you are X, you are red tag, or you are a trash. How much more if you pick up or lift up one small marble from inside, you are really a big time thief or burglar. Imagine. Maybe you would like, can I take this as a souvenir, and you didn't ask permission, or even if you asked permission, they wouldn't allow you, because this is their life in the past. Okay, no viewer yet. Maybe one day, if I have money, I would come here or there. We can go in, penetrate inside. Okay, good. I've seen one entrance that is free of charge. We go there. In a while, we'll be there. People start to flock. These are tourists. As I can see from their eagerness to take photos and videos, because Greeks are already accustomed with it. It's like a part of their life, everyday life, seeing like this. So it's like everyone else. Isn't it that when you are accustomed to one person, for example, if you meet him or her every day, the more likely that you don't even notice him or her, it's like a part of your life. Anyway, he would not go away, maybe for the rest of your life, something like this. So it's their chance to grab the opportunity to have the experience by taking mementos or photos. There is the church covered by this residential building and shop. No, we cannot penetrate because it is enclosed with this gates. So it's impossible. Anyway, we will go over there. There's the church, an Orthodox church. Churches are everywhere. So you will be reminded of your faith. An olive tree, growing olive tree there. Marbles everywhere. There's a cat there, the black cat. Cat's actually brown and black there. At night, it's a very nice view because of the lights around the museum, and there are even lights installed inside to add attraction. We go over more historical landmarks there as we go on outside the parameter of this museum. The mosque pottery museum. I don't know why they call it pottery. Maybe they are making pots here in the past. They were making pots here in the past. Maybe, I don't know. I didn't have the chance to read the information about the description of this place. Here are tavernas or restos. Here, mulberry trees, there and there, everywhere. There we go again. On top of this hill or mountain, yes, is the Acropolis. Where there inside is the Parthenon, or the temple of I don't know which god. I think Athens, the patron Athena, or the patron saint of Athens. There, more rocks, more attractions there. The pillars, smaller than the previous. Okay. Mga poste yan. This time we are in a deeper level of the museum, pottery museum. But I haven't seen any single pots or pottery. Maybe I'm looking for the clay pots, but maybe these are made of no, not marble. So look at this these circular objects there. And more circular objects as we go over there. Oh my God. Look. It's even better here. There we were. And we are here. Just a moment to make a discharge now that I have the chance and the opportunity and the right place to discharge. Just a moment. Please stand by and bear patience with me as I'm going to throw you again in a while. I have just discharged and energy is restored. There we were. Now we move on. It's still in the Pottery Museum, Mosque Pottery Museum. Parang mosque. Ano ba yung mosque? Di ba yung sa mga parang church sa mga ibang